This is within the context of cross-disciplinary is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically encountered this discipline when I tried to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes when they hear, let's say, a sus4 or sus2. This is no longer a cross-disciplinary. This is
what did you do with
discussing
Jeff?
Music independently.
He's not here today.
How to build chords.
He might be
with physics, like pathology, mental diseases. And I might get into key in on areas like, let's say, bipolar, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, or let's say bipolar 1, manic, or bipolar 2, hypomania. Now, there's a number of different parapsychological phenomena that is induced, and bipolar is prevalent for that when manic is induced. So I have to take
diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art on a two-dimensional surface or canvas. There's a lot of diagonal lines. That's from a geometric standpoint. That's like the geometric architecture of art formation. There's these diagonal lines and these, a commercial art, commercialized area, a city.
Rhythmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So